श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्ताम् सदा हृदि। रामानुजदया पात्रम् ज्ञानवैराग्यभूषणम् श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथार्यम् वन्दे वेदान्तदेशिकम्। சீரொன்று தூப்புல் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் பாரொன்றச் சொன்ன பழமொழியுள் ஊரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேரப் போமளவும் வாழ்வு.
वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि। रामानुजदया पात्रम् ज्ञानवैराग्यभूषणम् श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथार्यं वन्दे वेदान्तदेशिकम्। சீரொன்று தோப்போம் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் ஆறொன்று சொன்ன பழமொழியுள் போரொன்று தானே மையாதோ தரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேர போமளவும் வாழ்வு.
We take up page 62 of Sri Abhayapradhanasaram of Sri Vedanta Deshika. The very purpose of making a total surrender is to please the Lord and not to please ourselves. We don't also entertain any satisfaction of, self-satisfaction for all of us by doing Sharanagati. So that is the precondition of no expectation from the Lord. And the Lord's quality is, auspicious characteristic is, He has lot of love for us, exceeding love, that it will overflow at any time to us. And therefore, so this sentence connected with the page 61 last sentence. Can we see the last sentence in page 61? ராவணனை கொன்று உம்மை ராஜ்யத்திலே முடிசூட்ட கடவோம் என்று பெருமாள் அருளிச் செய்வான் என்னில் அதுவும் so you go to the next sentence, page 62. அடங்காத சரண்ய பிரீத்திக்கு போக்கு வீடான ஆனுஷங்கிக போக பிரதானம் என்று கொள்ள பிராப்தம். We always understand that Sharanagati will get two types of fruits. Of course, we are not to concentrate on those two fruits. Number one, a permanent residence in Sri Vaikuntham, we call it generally heaven. Heaven, of course, has got another term, Swarga, which is the abode of gods. But we are not referring to when you say heaven here. So heaven means Vaikuntham, Paramapadam, Tirunadu, Kalanga Perunagar, as we say in Tamil. So this Paramapadam is the fruit as we all think. But Swami Vedanta Deshika's advice to us is, let us consider that our service itself is the fruit of Sharanagati. Kainkaryameva lakshyam Sharanagatehe. Of the total surrender, our permanent service, spotless service, blemishless service is the result of Sharanagati, is itself Sharanagati. Therefore, the second one is the pleasures of this world. We are not to expect any pleasure of this world as an outcome of our Sharanagati. But again, we are assured by the Shastras that you will get the double benefit. Namely, this world will be happy for you, happily disposed towards you. And also, the next world, namely Sri Vaikuntham, will also make you happy. So, Adangada Saranya Pritiki. That's what I said. So, overflowing love of the Lord. Pokuvidana. We are going to see the footnotes after the reading of the paragraph. Now, this is what we call fringe benefit, rather ancillary, auxiliary, or side benefit, rather. So, extra benefit, what you call perks, P-E-R-K-S. So, perks for making Sharanagati. And we are not to again remember, always think of this. So, Anushangika Bhoga Pradana. Now, let us take the case of Vibhishana. Vibhishana did not want the kingdom. He wanted only the divine feet and the divine sandals of Rama. But since Rama promised him earlier than expected, whatever he did not ask, namely, Mudishutta Kadavom. So we are going to anoint you as the king of Sri Lanka. It was done immediately on the other shore of the ocean. And therefore, Anushangika Bhoga Pradhanam is ancillary donation of the pleasure of this world. Vibhishana did not expect it, did not want it. He wanted to reject it, and so on. So that should be our attitude also. So Anushangika Bhoga Pradhanam endru kolla praptam. So it is to be understood. Praptam here means it is to be understood here that the fringe benefit, the perks that we get will be just ancillary, subsidiary. Ahayale andro, Mudishutta Kadavom and Arulichi the Permaluk, Adukuru Marumatram Vinnapam Sheyade. Now, though I said just now Vibhishana wants to reject it, he did not say it. He accepted it. Why did he accept the kingdom? Did he expect the kingship of Sri Lanka? No. Should he not reject outrightly the offer of kingship? But when Lord said, when the protector said, Mudishutta Kadavom, we will crown you as the king of Sri Lanka, no objection should be raised. That is also there. No appeal against the Lord on his orders. When Lord Srimanarayana says something, it should not be refused. So Arulichai the Perumalukku, when Lord Sri Rama has God Srimanarayana blessed him with the kingship of Sri Lanka, Adukkoru Marumatram Vinnapam Seyyade. He did not refuse the offer. He did not give an anti-reply to this, to the words of Sri Rama. So instead, what he promised to Rama is Rakshasanam Vadhe Sahyam Lankayascha Pradarshanam Karishyami Yatha Pranam Pravekshami Cha Vahinim. So this was promised by Hanuman. What did he say? I will help in the killing of the demons. I will threaten the entire Lanka. I will do whatever I can till my life's end. And I will enter into the army. There are two meanings here. I will enter into the army. I will enter into the river. That means, as all of us know, Rama, at the end of his incarnation, went to Sarayu river and took all the living beings, including the blade of grass, the non-living being. You can say plant is a living being, but you can take it as achetana. And they were also taken to Purpar, Mudalar, Ayodhya. So he took them to Sri Vaikuntha. So in here, this is the statement of Hanuman. Rakshasanam Madhe Sakyam. I will be extending help to kill the demons. Lankayascha Pradharshana. I will make Lanka afraid of you. Karishyami Yatha Pranam. Till the end of my life, I will do whatever you want. Pravekshami cha Vahini. I will re-enter the army. That means I will be one of the 11 in the army. என்று சர்வ நிரபேட்சரான திருவடியை போல. So Hanuman did not expect anything for searching Sita, and he did not expect anything from Rama because he helped his master Sugriva. Sugriva's Sharanagati bore fruit. Vali had to be killed, his elder brother had to be killed. At the same time, Hanuman did not expect anything for himself as well as for the kingdom of Kishkinda. So, Sarva Nirapekshara. He was not for anything to receive from Sri Rama. So, Avasarochitamana Adimeshiya Kadaven and Sri Vibhishana Alvan Vinnapam Sedathu. Right at the right moment, at the opportune time, Vibhishana promised, rather submitted to Rama that he will be a slave. And that is the expectation Rama might have had from Vibhishana. So, Avasara Uchitamana Adimeshiya Kadave. So, at the right moment, proper moment, I will help you to win over my elder brother Ravana. So, even Dharmikatvatai, now please remember the good attitude of Vibhishana. So, we call him Vibhishana Alvan. We will go to page 63 for continuing the sentence. Come back to 62 for வேண்டிக்கொள்ள பிரீதனான பிரம்மா அமரத்வத்தையும் கூட கொடுத்தார் போல அடிமை செய்ய வேண்டிக் கொண்ட ஸ்ரீ விபீஷணாழ்வானுக்கு பெருமாள் அடிமைக்கு உறுப்பாக ஐஸ்வர்யத்தையும் கொடுத்தார். So this is what in Sanskrit was given Anushangika Bhoga Pradhanam. It was in page 62. So we will go back to 62. So even Dharmikatai Varamahakund. So he was righteous in every aspect. His attitude was the best. And he never expected anything from doing Sharanagati. And therefore, we can safely say that Rama had the choice to help him in many ways. Rama gave another benefit of kingship of Sri Lanka to Vibhishana. And it is said in Tamil, Anushangika Bhoga Pradhanam is Pradhanam illamal. Now the word Pradhanam in Sanskrit is different from what is in Tamil Pradhanam illamal. So what is Pradhanam is, what is most important is Sharanagati, or you can say Kaikaryam, or service to the Lord. So when Vibhishana was ready to serve the Lord, it was very important. Pradhanam. So Pradhanam illamal, apart from the important task of serving the Lord, idayil varum sugathai kodupadu. This is what we call side benefit, the fringe benefit, which Rama offered to Vibhishana without his expectation. Praptam means proper, yuktam. Yuktam in Sanskrit means proper. It is right. 4 is badal, uttaram. So we look at the Yuddhakanda 19th canto 23rd verse. We say ராட்சதர்களை கொல்வதில் உதவியும் இலங்கையை தகர்ப்பதும் என் உயிருள்ள வரையில் செய்கிறேன், உயிருள்ள வரையிலும் செய்கிறேன், சேனையிலும் பிரவேசிக்கிறேன். And it can have 2 meanings extra. So சேனையிலும் பிரவேசிக்கிறேன், I will enter into the army of monkeys in order to help Rama. Number 1, I will enter into the army of Ravana to destroy. So, Senayilum Praveshikire. So, Avasarochita, Avasara meaning opportune time. Avasara is opportunity. Uchita proper, Samayatirkiyatra, Dharmikatvam, Nanneri Tavaramai. Then Amaratvam will go to next page 63. So we are reading now 63. So when Vibhishana prayed to Rama to accept him into his fold, and he also did penance towards Lord Brahma earlier. Vibhishana performed penance towards Brahma earlier, the Lord of creation, and Brahma became pleased, and he also gave him even earlier a place in heaven, rather Vaikuntham. So Vibhishana had to become Nityasuri because of his penance earlier. So Amaratattvayam Kuduttar Pole. So Vibhishana will not be born again.
Swami,
He will have no birth in future. Yes,
Swami, I didn't doubt. How Brahma can avoid moksham to anyone? That's because Brahma cannot give what, because only Swami is Bhagavan can give. He cannot, even he cannot recommend, because he has to come back. He's again only a special status.
Right, you are right. So I interpreted it as Vaikuntha Prapti, but Amaratvam is no death. He only gave Amaratvam. That means you may say he becomes God, immortal. He becomes immortal. That's what this says. Amaratvam Kuda Kuduttar Pole. So I extended it to Vaikuntham. You are carefully noting my words. I'm happy. So Brahma cannot give moksha, right? You are right. Moksha means Janardanath. You cannot get moksha from anybody else other than Lord Sriman Narayana. Right, you are right. But now I was telling Amaratvam is immortality. So immortality will lead to finally, of course, Nitya Suritvam in Vaikuntham. And therefore I said it this way. Maybe I am wrong also. But at the same time, Brahma has Sriman Narayana as his Antaryami, and Antaryami directs all the individual souls. Brahma is an individual soul, Jivatma. Brahma is a Jivatma, though in a better position as Lord of creation. So Antaryami Brahma, Antaryami of Brahma is Sriman Narayana, and therefore the Antaryami of Brahma would have directed him to give, of course, immortality. And you can say a place in Swarga. That's what you mean. Very good. But I granted him moksha. Now, what I want to say is, it is almost equal to moksha. And maybe I am wrong. விபீஷண ஆழ்வானுக்கு பெருமாள் அடிமைக்கு உறுப்பாக ஐஸ்வர்யத்தையும் கொடுத்தார். Brahma gave immortality to Vibhishana. So he became one of the gods. Then what we mean by this is 33 crores plus 1 will be there. In that case, we will always say, because he is lovable by Lord Sriman Narayana, we can also say extraordinarily that he was given a place in Sri Vaikuntham. So I agree with you. So Sri Vibhishana Alvanukku Perumal Adimekku Urupaga, as a part of this slavery. So Vibhishana Alvan was granted Aishwaryathiyam Koduttar. Aishwaryam, leadership. Leadership. It also now includes the richness of the country, Sri Lanka. Aishwaryam is Ishwarasya Bhavaha Aishwaryam. Aishwaryam, we always think that it is wealth, physical wealth, movable and immovable properties. But Aishwaryathiyam Koduttar. ஆகையாலே திருவடி நிலையை முன்னிட்டு ஸ்ரீ பரதாழ்வான் நாட்டில் உள்ளாரை நியமித்திருந்தார் போலே தர்ம சம்ஸ்தாபனார்த்தமாக அவதீர்ணரான பெருமானுடைய நியோகத்தாலே we stop here to go back. So திருவடி நிலையை முன்னிட்டு ஸ்ரீ பரதாழ்வான் நாட்டில் உள்ளாரை நியமித்திருந்தார் போலே in the name of the divine sandals of Lord Sri Rama, here because it is only given as Tiruvadi Nilayai. Tiruvadi Nilayai meaning as the divine sandals of Sri Rama and the divine feet of Sri Rama are inseparable. So Tiruvadi Nilayai meaning divine sandals, Paduka Rajyam. So Munnittu Sri Bharatazhalvan Nattil Ullare Niyamitirundar pole. He controlled the kingdom, he ruled over the kingdom in the name of the divine sandals, and of the subjects of Kosala country. Dharma samsthapanarthamaha avatirnarana perumaludaya. Rama's incarnation was also to re-establish the righteousness in this world. Niyogattale, by his order, by his instruction, Niyogattale, mattupadada rakshasarai வழிப்படுத்தி நடத்துகைக்காக. Since Ravana was the bad leader and of course a dominating leader, all the demons could not disobey him. They all followed him, and therefore they became violent, irresistible, and as the follower of Ravana, they were adamant, they could not be controlled, and therefore Vibhishana Alvan, when he becomes a king, he would try to put down the insolence, pride of the demons and make them good. So all the demons in the Ravana kingdom would have been made good by Vibhishana Alvan's rule, and therefore Vibhishana Alvan Rajyate Isheheyal, if Vibhishana accepts the kingdom, idum Ajnanupalanam Ahayale, because it is again accepting the order and obeying the order of Sri Rama and to become the king of Sri Lanka. So Kainkarya Kotiyile Anvayitadu. The very kingship, the leadership, the wealth that he received, Vibhishana received as a subsidiary benefit of Sharanagati, is to be considered as a service to the Lord. Therefore, why? Because all the demons will be made good, and all of them will worship the Lord, rather Sriman Narayana. And therefore, Kainkarya Kotiyile Anvayitadu, the entire kingdom of Sri Lanka will become the slave of the Lord, Sriman Narayana. That means all will do service to the Lord. Vibhishana's rule will be subservient to Sriman Narayana. So இவர் தமக்கு இசைவின்றிக்கே இருக்க though in his heart of hearts Vibhishana did not want to receive the kingdom or become a king in Sri Lanka, பெருமாளுடைய அனதிலங்கனீயமான the order of Lord Sri Rama could not be transgressed. Anatilanganiyam. Anatilanganiya Agnya. The order cannot be disobeyed. Shapatha Purvaka Shasanatale. Because Rama gave a preamble, gave an introduction that I am going to make you a king. Even at that time, Vibhishana could not refuse. Rajyam Pandinar Ennuvidam. He compelled, Sri Rama compelled Vibhishana to receive the kingship. Ennuvidam Perumal Tannudai Chodikku எழுந்தருளுகிற போது, when Lord Sri Rama was returning to Vaikuntha, Tannudai Chodi is Sivaikuntham. எழுந்தருளுகிற போது, when he was going back to his headquarters, he made a promise, Shapatham. He took an oath, Purvaka. So, preceded by an oath, he gave a rule of the constitution, namely, Sri Lanka will be ruled by Vibhishana. And therefore, even there, Vibhishana had no choice to either say accept or no, refuse. So here, that's the meaning here. So let us go to page 64. So எழுந்தருள போது விடை கொடுத்த பாசுரத்தாலே வெளியிடப்பட்டது. Now, Lord Sri Rama said this, Yavat prajaha dharishyanti tavat tvam vai Vibhishana Rakshasendra Mahavirya Lankastastvam dharishyasi Shapitastvam sakhitvena karyante mama shasanam prajas samraksha dharmena na uttaram vaktam arhasi. So this is also was said by Rama. You cannot refuse my order. So yavat prajaha dharishyanti. As long as you can make the subject, make the demons and other subjects there revive. You can say take it as Darishyanti, as revive. They hold their life intact. Tavat tvam, till then, O Vibhishana, definitely you must be ruling over Sri Lanka. Lanka's tastvam dharishyasi. You will bear the burden of ruling over Sri Lanka. O Rakshasendra, O the leader of demons, O Mahavirya, O man of prowess, O demon of prowess, you will bear the burden of taking the responsibility of protecting Sri Lanka. Shapitastam sakhitvena karyante mama shasanam. Shapitaha meaning it's called in English something else. Shapitastam is it's a promise on you. It's a promise on you. You have been compelled to. So sakhitvena, by my friendship. We say in English, Shapitaha. You are compelled to, by my friendship. Karyam te karyam, your action is mama shasanam. You will act according to my constitution. So my rule is, you rule the Sri Lanka kingdom. Prajas samraksha dharmena, by righteously protecting the subjects, you are not to give me reply of refusal. Na uttaram, uttaram answer, that is reply. Vaktum to say, na arhasi. You don't behove to, you don't deserve to give me a negative reply when I say, take the kingship of Sri Lanka. Mirkodai re Perumal ivare Rajyathile irukkai seivittar. Yeah, Shapitaha is taken oath. We say in English, something on you, something on you. Vouchsafe. So I'm searching for a word from the translation of Sanskrit words into English. I just forget. It's called a promise on you. A promise on you. So you cannot transgress my words. Miracle, guarantee. So all these words, I'll tell you a little later. So it's bound on you. You have no escape from in that meaning. So Mirukkoidare Perumal ivare Rajyathile irukkai seivittar. He compelled him to accept the kingdom with a very what we call dominating statement that you cannot refuse the kingship. Yeah, compel. Just no sense. Ippadi even Ananya Prayojanan Ahayale ஆகையாலே இவனுக்கு தம்மிலும் சீரிய கோயிலாழ்வாரை எழுந்தருளி விட்டு கொடுத்தது. So when Vibhishana had to accept the kingship of Sri Lanka, even Ananya Prayojana Ahiyale, since he did not want anything else from anybody else, Ananya Prayojana. So he was not for any advantage from Sharanagati, because he had no desire to take anything from the Lord. இவனுக்கு தம்மிலும் சீரிய கோயில் ஆழ்வாரை எழுந்தருளிவித்து கொடுத்தது. Please note, in the Satyaloka of Brahma, Lord Creator was worshipping what you call doing Thiruvaradhanam, puja to the idol of Sri Ranganatha in his world, Satyalokam. And afterwards it came to Vivaswan, the sun god, S-U-M. So the sun god had a race called solar race, Surya Vamsha, and there were kings called Manu. There were 14 Manus in the solar race. They are called Vaivasvata Manu, because Vivaswan is the meaning the sun, S-U-M. There were 14 Manus. So after those 14 Manus as kings, there came other kings like Dilipa, Raghu, Aja, Dasharatha, Rama, Lavakusha, and so on. So there were so many kings under this race, and all the kings of this solar race worshipped Sri Ranganatha, which was first worshipped by Lord Creator, Brahma. So Shiriya Koyilalvarai, Shiriya meaning, Tamilum Shiriya meaning the respect given to Sri Ranganatha by Sri Rama is more than anybody else. So Koyilalvar is homely deity, titular deity, Kula Devam. We say Ikshvaku Kula Dhanam, yes, home shrine. Ikshvaku Kula Dhanam is called Sri Ranganatha. So Ikshvaku is another king. Kakusta is another king. Kakusta is another king. Raghu was another king. So we have same names for Rama. Kakusta, Raghava, and Aikshvaku. Aikshvaku is Rama. So there were these three popular names of the kings. So Koyilalvarai, Sri Ranganatha was எழுந்தருளிவித்து கொடுத்தது. Vibhishana did not ask for the gift, but Rama himself offered voluntarily the gift of Ranganatha. Of course, you know what happened. Ranganatha is here. So Uttarakanda, 108th canto, 27th verse and 29th verse. So we saw Yavat Praja Dharishyanti, Tavatvam Vai Vibhishana, Rakshasendra Mahavirya, Lankastatvam. So be in Lanka and protect its subjects. Lankastatvam Dharishyasi. Shapitatvam Sakhitvena Karyam Te Mama Shasanam. Prajas Samraksha Dharmena Nottaram Vaktum Arhasi. Rakshasarajanum Mahaviranumana He Vibhishana. உலகில் பிரஜைகள் உள்ள வரையில் நீ லங்கையில் இருந்து கொண்டு ராஜ்யபாரம் செய்து வருவாய். So you should not follow my example. My sandals are rolling over Kosala kingdom for 14 years. So you must be in Sri Lanka, stationed in Sri Lanka and rule the kingdom righteously. தோழன் என்கிற முறையில் உன்னை கட்டளையிடுகிறேன். As a friend, I am ordering you. நீ அதை அனுஷ்டிக்க வேண்டும். You must follow strictly. தர்மமாய் பிரஜைகளை ரட்சி. Righteously protect the subjects, citizens. வேறு பதில் சொல்லாதே. Don't answer me otherwise. Don't antagonize me. Don't refuse. So மிருக்கு is நிர்பந்தம், by compulsion. ராமன் திருவடிகளில் கைங்கரியத்தை தவிர வேறொன்றை தனக்கு பலமாக கருதாதவன். That is the attitude of Vibhishana. Vibhishana said, Vibhishana did not expect anything, even in his thoughts, that Rama will give Ranganatha to him, Rama will give kingship to him, and so on. So he never expected anything. That should be our attitude towards Sharanagati. So don't expect anything from Sharanagati. Let us not entertain any thought on the fruits of Sharanagati. So he is such a great person. Uyarnda. So that was the footnote there. You can go to page 65. So Ippidi Andrike, Apada Pratiti Pakshatale, even Aishwaryathyanalum, Mitrabhavena Sampraptam Natyajayam Kathanchane. அபயம் சர்வபூதேபியோ ததாமியேதத் பிரதம் மம என்கிற பொதுவான பாசுரங்களாலே சரண்ய அபிப்பிராயத்தை பார்த்தால் பிரபத்தியானது சாமான்யேன மோக்ஷ பர்யந்த சகல புருஷார்த்த சாதனம் என்னுமிடம் தெளியலாம். We can only understand. We cannot expect. We can only understand that Vibhishana, from Vibhishana's attitude, though he did not expect kingdom from him, from the hands of Rama, he was not expecting anointment, rather coronation of Vibhishana as king of Sri Lanka, nor he expected the sudden gift of Sri Ranganatha Vigraha, Divya Mangala Vigraha, which was worshipped by Brahma, the Lord of creation. The first sentence, let me see in page 65. Apata pratiti pakshatale. Now, the attitude of Vibhishana is very significant here. The confidence that he reposed, Vibhishana's confidence that he reposed on Sri Rama, Sri Rama could even expect Vibhishana to get some wealth from Sri Rama, that is the wealth of kingship. Aishwarya Arthyanalum. Because as all of us know in the Bhagavad Gita, there are 4 people, Jnani, Artharthi, Ijnasuhu, and Artaha. There are 4 people who approach Lord. And Jnani is the wise man who does not expect anything from the Lord. Lord Krishna says to Arjuna that he is exactly equal to Jnani, because Jnani doesn't expect anything from. So Vibhishana becomes Jnani. And Artharthi, even if Vibhishana becomes expects the kingship of Sri Lanka, Aishwaryarthi, it's called Artharthi, asking for some riches, wealth. Even if he has become, so he says in the 18th canto of Yuddha Kanda, Mitra Bhavena Sampraptam, because of his friendship attitude, he has reached me, Nat Tejayam Kathanchara. I will not give him up. I will not relinquish him. I will not leave him in the lurch. There is apata pratiti pakshatale, meaning to the core. Apata is to the core. So he had a lot of confidence in faith in Sri Rama, and therefore, since Vibhishana is in the side of apata pratiti, so even when he asked for Sri Lanka kingdom, I will give him. I will not let him go. So abhayam sarva bhutebhyo, whether it is a living being on any form, dadami etat vratam, I will give them protection. So by these general statements, if we analyze the opinion of the Lord Shivan Narayana, here Sri Rama, prapatyanadu, the Sharanagati, the total surrender, Samanyena, in ordinary sense, it will give benefits, the common benefits, like the pleasures of this world, Moksha Paryanta, up to the emancipation, Sakala Purushartha Sadhanam. It serves as means to achieve all the 4 human purposes of life, namely Dharma, Kama, Artha, Moksha. So all the 4 can be achieved by Sharanagati. So this is what we understand. But we will not be, we should not involve in the expectation, and we should not entertain such a thought. Melaranda Varyaha Parkum Pakshatale, Apata Pratiti Pakshatale. Even when he has in his mind some other intention, so I am not ready to leave him. I will help him. I will protect him. Abhayam sarva bhutebhyaha, it's a common statement. And again, natyajayam kathanchana, I will not give him up at any cost. Kathanchana. Kathanchana is at any cost, whatever be my risk. Suppose I lose my life by helping the friend, I am ready. That is what, so I am ready to give up even my life. Such a great attitude Lord Sriman Narayana has in all incarnations, especially here Rama. So, Melaranda Varyaha Parkum Pakshatala. Even if you don't understand the surrendering very deeply, when Vibhishana might be interested in receiving the kingship of Sri Lanka, once he has come as a friend and once he has surrendered to me, I will not give him up. So this is what Mitran ennum bhavanayodu ennai sharanamadaindavane நான் ஒருபோதும் கைவிடேன், சகல பூதங்களிலிருந்தும் பயமில்லாமல் செய்வேன். இது என்னுடைய விரதம். பொதுவாக மோட்ச பரியந்த சகல புருஷார்த்த சாதனம், மோட்சம் உட்பட எல்லா புருஷார்த்தங்களுக்கும் சாதனம். That's what we saw. So the righteousness, dharma, in the case of our merits, expectation of merits by doing our duty, dharma. And when we want to earn money, we want to become rich, the artha, in all spheres of this world. Then kama, we want to fulfill our desires. And moksha, of course, right desires, moksha and the emancipation. All these four, the human life purposes would be fulfilled by Sharanagati, as we understand from Shastras. But there'll be no iota of expectation from the Lord. So with this page 65, we will be concluding this week this portion. we will take up Sharanya Prakaraha. What is the attitude of the protector in the next chapter? You cannot brand him as a demon and say no moksham for demon. So we have to make a distinction. Nityasuris, when we say Nityasuri, Swami Raghunamanji Swannamadre, as he said, the Nityasuris are in two categories. One is permanent Nityasuri like Garuda, the kite, the carrier, Vishwaksena, the security staff, and Adishesha, the bed. So apart from these three permanent Nityasuris, as Raghunamanji exactly pointed out, the weapons, 5 weapons, and all the ornaments on the divine frame of Lord Shivan Narayana are also, whatever you say, inanimate things, insentient things on the Lord, or near the Lord, and they are also Nityasuris. In the sense, though we may not say that we may not see him, see them as a living being, and that's what I said. An insentient being attached to the Lord very closely is also called a Nityasuri. And the 5 weapons, with no doubt, undoubtedly the Gada also, the mace also, and as we understand, of course, we have to read more commentaries on why he came with a weapon in the hand. This was a reason for refusal by the monkeys. They said he has come with a weapon, and therefore he has come to strike us. He has come to kill us, and therefore he comes with a mace. That's what the monkeys said to Rama. And here, in this case, as he said, there's nothing to prevent Vibhishana as a demon to become Nityasuri. The second category of Nityasuris is the Muktatmas. The Muktatmas, the released souls, are to be considered as Nityasuris. So please remember, but there is a difference. So when I say Nityasuri, only 3 people are mentioned, plus the weapons, other ornaments, please, divine frame. Again, so say go on plus add. The people permanently residing in Vaikuntham, called Muktatmas, released souls, who have been earlier Jivatmas, the individual souls. They were Baddhas, that is fettered souls, chained souls in this world, and they became the permanent residents called Muktatma. Even a Muktatma is also called Nityasuri. And the qualification for Nityasuri is that they have become equal to the Lord except in 2 aspects: Srishti, creation, and being the husband of Mahalakshmi. Otherwise, everything is common to both Nityasuri and the Lord. All Apahata Papmatvam, Anandatvam, Amalatvam, Anantatvam are common to both Nityasuris, namely Muktatmas, the released souls, and the 3 important Nityasuri by the side of the Lord, plus the ornaments called weapons. What about Vyapakatvam? Right. So, very good. We are all, Nityasuris have Anutvam, and the Lord has Vibhutvam. Right. Vibhutvam. No, I'm just listing a few qualities only. And Vibhutvam is a character, a peculiar, unique character of Lord. He can be available everywhere. But Anutvam is for all Nityasuris. Again, one other point that comes to my mind now is we can have a same type of bliss as Lord experiences in Vaikuntha. Same bliss. No difference in quality of bliss. Well, Jnanam is there. Jnanam is always there. Wisdom is always there. And again, as Keshava Swami is fond of these terms also. So except Sayujyam. So Sarupyam, Samipyam, and Salokyam are also available with Nityeswara. Salokyam is how Lord Sriman Narayana observes the entire creation. In the same way, our observation will also be equal in quality with the Lord. Salokyam. And our vision of the Lord. Our vision of the Lord will be equal between us, among us. And then Sarupyam, we can take that form. We can have those ornaments, weapons as ornaments. We can bear Shankam, Chakram. Everybody can look like Lord Sriman Narayana. Sarupyam. And Samipyam, we are all near him. These are all certain. So the nearness, proximity is also that's what gives us knowledge, jnana. That is what we call bhuta, bhavishyat, and present. So the future, the past, and the present jnanam is there, wisdom is there. We can understand. That's what the Shastra says.
Swami, one more visual explanation. என்னன்னாக்கா பெருமாளுக்கும் நித்தியசூரி மற்ற ஜீவாத்மாவுக்கும் என்ன வித்தியாசம்னாக்கா டு பி பிரசன்ட் சைமல்டேனியஸ்லி இன் ஆல் த ஆத்மாவோட டு ரிமைன் அலாங் வித் ஆத்மா அது வந்து நித்தியசூரிக்கு கிடையாது இல்லையா? இப்ப to be present any simultaneously present in everywhere in all places.
அதான் இப்ப சொல்லிருந்தேன். I told you in the term vibhutvam. Nityasuris also have the Lord as antaryami. அவளுடைய ஹார்ட்லயும் மைண்ட்லயும் பெருமாள் இருக்கார். அதனால அங்க வந்து அதாவது இந்த விபுத்வம்ங்கிறது பர்வேடிங் த என்டையர் gamut of creation as well as the headquarters, namely Vaikuntham. See Vaikuntham or the other creations, the whole universe. We have 14 worlds. So everywhere he is available. That is in the heart of Nityasuri also.
It is not the other way around. That is, Nityasuri cannot be present in everywhere. Nor the ability to create beings.
Right. Thirdly, husbandhood of Sri. You are right. So, Anutvam, we cannot be everywhere. The Jivatmas are either Baddhas, or fettered souls, chained souls in this world, or Muktatma, the released souls in Shivaikuntha. And even Nityasuris, for example, Adishesha, Vishwaksena, and Garuda cannot be everywhere. The scripture says, Sabrahma Sashivasendra Sokshara Paramaswarat. And the Advaitins also add Saharisendra Sokshara Paramaswarat. But we take, though they are equal as it is that Lord Vishnu is exactly equal to Lord Shiva, Lord Brahma, and so on. So we take them as Antaryami. Lord Vishnu will be Antaryami of this. And especially in Karma Kanda of the scriptures, when we perform sacrifices, whenever we offer anything into the fire in the name of some god, it all goes to only Sriman Narayana, as it goes to Antaryam. Yajno vai Vishnu, Vishnur vai Yajnaha. Scriptural statement. Raghunamanji of Delhi said that Vibhishana being the incarnation of the mace, he can be also called Nityasuri. As Periyava Chandpillai said, that is why in order to remind Sri Rama, he came with a mace. Gadapani, Utpapata Gadapani. When he flew over Sri Lanka, flew up Sri Lanka, he came with the mace. And just to remind Rama that I am the incarnation of Gada, so you cannot reject me. You have to accept my Sharanagati. That is it. Thank you so much for. So this is my contention is in dealing with reading Abhay Pradhana Saram is we discuss and analyze and find out the important points in Abhay Pradhana Saram. Of course, how can we apply them in our ordinary human life? That is also there. That is more important than reading Abhay Pradhana Saram. And when we said, this is what I say to many people and many times. Alvars said, Acharyas said, Puranas said. He protected Gajendra, the lordly elephant. He came as Narasimha to the request of Prahlada and so on. Alvars and Acharyas, they say, when are you going to save me? Nammalvar also said, when are you going to save me? You have saved so many people. So this is our immediate necessity. When are you going to save me? When we say, when he protected in his incarnation somebody, what should be the botheration or what should be the interest in saving others? I must be. I am selfish. I must be blessed by the Lord. So this is immediate necessity, requirement for us in our case. So that's what we have to understand from.
One question can I ask?
Yeah.
What is the difference between the Alvar and Acharya?
Alvars are Bhagavad Amshas. They are part and parcel of the Lord. Acharyas were directed by the Lord to come back from the status of Muktatma, released soul, to the Jivatma status. Jivatma status. We must not wrongly identify them as ordinary individual souls like us. Acharyas in any form, in their greatness, they are equal to God. They are equal to they are the released souls. God made incarnations to find out whether his creation is used properly. That is, rather the individual souls, especially people like us, human beings, will use the creation properly. And when it is not there, the what you call dharma samsthapanarthaya, or you can say yada yada dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata. When there is a let up in the righteousness in this world, then I appear, he says, sambhavami yuge yuge. And then he tried by his incarnations, and people say, even by Acharya, say, he miserably failed. Lord miserably failed. Therefore, he created Alvars. And again, Alvars, when the Alvars also failed, Acharyas came. And Acharyas, of course, in the course of many, what we call yugas, Acharyas are still doing and trying to redeem us from the mire of this human life. And therefore, the Alvars are directly the Bhagavad Amshas. For example, Garuda's incarnation goes to whom? Or Kulashekar Alvar. So many.
Prahlad also is Alvar.
We call everybody Alvar here. Vibhishana, Ilayalvan is Lakshmana, Adishesha's incarnation. So many.
No, different. There is no difference between Alvar and Perumal. That is why Arav Alvar. So you make it equal. So Aravand Alvan, he makes himself equal to Alvar. So Aravand becomes Aravand Alvar. And Alvar become Perumal. That is how he make it clear about it.
Right. That's why they said Bhagavad Amshas, part and parcel of the Lord. That's what we said, as rightly Rajagopala Swami said, Tirukudandai, the Kumbakonam, Ksharangapani, otherwise called Aramudan in Tamil, Aparyaptamritaha, Sanskrit word. Aparyaptamritaha, Amritam, Aparyaptam, unlimited nectar. That Aramudan performs every year the Shraddha ceremony, the death anniversary of the Alvar. And therefore, Aramud Alvan is only same, say, birds of the same feather flock together. Alvan does performs Shraddha ceremony for another Alvan. That's why we call him Alvan, as Rajagopala Swami said correctly, Aramud Alvan. The Lord himself is called Alvan. He is so fond of his own Bhagavadamsha. And for example, Balarama is sometimes considered as, though Adishesha's incarnation, sometimes included under 10 incarnations, sometimes Buddha. Buddha doesn't mean Bauddha Matam, it's not the religion, but the realized soul is called Buddha. And we have some other name in that place. So that is how we count to 10. But though, Lakshmana is not considered as an incarnation, but Balarama is considered as an incarnation. Lakshmana is not much given importance. So they are all Bhagavatamshas. Bharata being the Kanch and Shatrughna being the Chakram, Sudarshanam, and Lakshmana being Adishesha. So all these are Bhagavatamshas. So part and part, that's what we say, part and parcel of the Divya Mangala Vigraha of Sriman Narayan. He compels the Nitya Suris to become Acharyas. We have been seeing wonderful preceptors over the years, namely Natha Muni, Yamunacharya, Ramanujacharya, Pranavanama Muni, Vedanta Deshika, and so many others who followed all these Acharyas. For example, in Tiruvallur, the Vaidya Vedaragava Devasthanam, Vasumati and Kanakavalli are the two names of the goddess there, Mahalakshmi. And 32nd Arageshingar of Havabelamat saw an illiterate man going to moksha in the prakara of Vaidya Vedaragava Sannidhi in Tiruvallur. Directly. He was a direct witness to a person going for moksha. In that sense, what we call, he said that Tuppattiyodu yaro ottar koopidugirar. Tuppatti is a shawl which is even now worn by the Lord there, Vaidya Vedaragava. So he wanted a blanket to for the cold season, and Lord Vaidya came to a person's house or asked for a room to live in. King Griham. King Griham. Where is my house to stay? So it's called King Grihesha. Vaidya is called King Grihesha. And Swami Vedanta Deshika has written 19 verses on King Grihesha. Yavvul Kidandan. The King Grihesha Stuti is there.
Ramanujataya Patram Jnana Vairagya Bhushanam Srimat Venkatanathāryam Vande Vedanta Dediyam. Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunasaline ஸ்ரீமதே வெங்கடேசாய வேதாந்த குரவே நமகம். வாதித்விபசிரோபங்க பஞ்சாலன பராக்கிரமா ஸ்ரீமான் வெங்கடநாதாரிய இரும் விஜயதாம்பொய் ஈரொன்றுதோ போல் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் வாரொன்று சொன்ன பழமொழியுள் ஓரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேர கோமளவும்.
ராமானுஜதயா பாத்திரம் ஞான வைராக்யபூஷணம் ஸ்ரீமத்வேங்கடநாதார்யம் வந்தே வேதாந்ததேசிகம். கவிதார்க்கிகசிம்ஹாய கல்யாணகுணசாலினே ஸ்ரீமதே வெங்கடேஷாய வேதாந்தகுரவே நமः. சீரொன்று தூப்புல் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் பாரொன்றச் சொன்ன பழமொழியுள் ஓரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேரப் போமளவும் வாழ்வு.
ஓம் நமோ நாராயண